Hi, I'm Sarah Manis, and I'm a librarian at Vanderbilt University. This video tutorial is an introduction to citations. I will discuss why we use citations, common citation styles, and citation management software. Let's get started. At this point in your academic career, you understand that not citing your sources constitutes plagiarism. But this is only one reason that citation practice is important. While you may not realize it, every time that you conduct research, write a paper, perform a piece of music, create a video, or compose a work, you are contributing to the scholarly discourse. Within every discipline, there are rules that govern how we communicate. Proper citations are part of participating in scholarly writing. When an author supplies footnotes or in-text citations, it allows the reader to retrace the author's argument down to the precise page number of the source cited. This is a key component of peer review, in which other experts check an author's work prior to publication. A bibliography indicates which sources were consulted, and in some cases, the absence of a source leads to vigorous debate. While the punctuation and formatting of citation styles may seem arbitrary, they do serve a purpose. For example, in the sciences, currency of a source is extremely important. Thus, the date is the first element of the citation. In music and the humanities, date is of less importance and is saved for the end of the citation. Mastering the citation style of your discipline is what makes you an expert rather than a novice learner. Depending on the citation style you use, your citation will take one of two forms in academic writing. You could have in-text citations with a list of references at the end of the paper, or you might have endnotes or footnotes with a bibliography at the end of the paper. So what exactly are these citation styles? Essentially, they are the rules and conventions for documenting a source. Having a set of rules ensures consistency, and the structure of the citation presents the information in the most relevant way for the reader. Think of the position of the date element in citations for scholarship in the sciences versus scholarship in the humanities. There are many different citation styles to choose from, and these styles are set by scholarly associations, publishers, or academic journals. Although there are many different styles out there, there are three most commonly used citation styles: APA, MLA, and Chicago. With so many choices, how do you pick the right citation style? The discipline you're writing in will often dictate your style. For example, need to write a paper for your English class? Opt for MLA. An assignment for psychology or HOD? Go for APA. Still not sure? Ask your professor. If it's the writer's choice, pick the style that you feel most comfortable with and stick with it. Consistency and accuracy in formatting your citation is more important than arguing about the merits of APA versus Chicago for that poli-sci paper. As a student, you might be asked to work with more than one citation style due to assignment requirements. It can get confusing as you move back and forth between styles, and having style manuals for every citation style you can use can get expensive. Tools, like citation managers, can make your life easier and take away some of the stress and anxiety of how to format citations. A citation manager can help you collect and store your citation information in one place until you are ready to use it. When it's writing time, there are plugins for Word that allow you to insert the correctly formatted citation in the style of your choice directly into your paper. At Vanderbilt, we support the following citation managers: EndNote, Mendeley, and Zotero. You can learn more about each of these tools at our Citation Management Guide. You can also use this guide to connect with librarians who are available to answer questions and provide training support. Each of these citation managers offer different features, so it's worth testing out your options to find the best fit for you. Many of us at the libraries are fans of Zotero. It's free to use and the learning curve is manageable. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you have citation questions, just ask. We look forward to helping you with them.